welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with a very tasty non-vegetarian recipe, chicken 65. This can be served as a starter, as a side dish for fried rice and all. It tastes so yummy. I had already uploaded a video of chicken lollipop in this channel. Link is in the description box. So let's see how to make this delicious chicken 65. Here I have 400 grams of boneless chicken. I used 2 chicken breast pieces. I washed it and cut them into cubes. Now we need to marinate these chicken pieces with some masala. Here I am adding 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. We need some chilli paste. I am going to make some homemade chilli paste for this. Here I have soaked 5 dry KASHMIRI chilli in warm water, and after some time I made a thick paste of this. Chilli paste added. Now adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper powder and salt. Mix well. Marinate the chicken pieces very well with all these masala and keep the marination for minimum of 15 minutes. Longer we keep the marination, tastier the chicken will be. Along with this I am adding 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This will help the chicken pieces to absorb all these masala very quickly. Mixing it once again. Let's wait for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I chopped some veggies for the final touch-up of this chicken 65. We need a medium-sized ginger, finely chopped, 2 green chillies, cut them into small pieces, garlic, 6 cloves, finely chopped, and a generous pinch of curry leaves. Curry leaves gives an amazing flavor for this chicken 65. It takes this dish to the next level, so do not skip this. Here marinated chicken pieces are ready. 15 minutes are over now. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of corn flour into this. Once we add corn flour, no need to wait. Straight away we need to fry these, deep fry these chicken pieces. Mix well. Here I cracked 2 eggs and mixed it really well. So egg batter is ready. We need to dip this chicken pieces into the egg batter and straight away deep fry this into the medium hot oil. We need to dip each marinated chicken pieces into the egg batter and drop them into the hot oil. Egg batter and corn flour gives a nice coating for this chicken 65. Fry this for 3 to 4 minutes in medium flame. Inside portion and all will get cooked well. Once you see that the chicken pieces are slightly turning into golden in color, transfer them into an oil absorbent paper. Fry these marinated chicken pieces by small batches. Do not fry so many pieces together because suddenly oil temperature will get reduced and chicken will not turn out really good. These are slightly changing into golden in color. These are almost ready. Here I am using sunflower oil for deep frying this chicken. If you want to give that authentic flavor of Kerala dishes, you can use coconut oil. You can serve it as a snack or as a side dish for fried rice and all. So these are ready. I am going to transfer this into an oil absorbent paper. So fried chicken pieces are ready. It tastes really good to eat like this as well. My husband and son already ate 2-3 pieces. Right now I am going to give a nice coating for this with little more masala. In a pan I poured 2 tablespoons of oil. I used the same oil which I used for deep frying these chicken pieces. Oil has become hot. I am going to add the finely chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies. Adding finely chopped garlic. Along with this I am adding finely chopped ginger. We need to saute it for a while, just for 2 to 3 minutes, so that the raw taste and raw flavor, raw texture of all these veggies will go away. I have added finely chopped green chilies as well. No need to over fry this one, just raw taste has to go away, that's it. Adding curry leaves generously, which is my favorite. It gives a nice flavor and aroma for this chicken 65. Little bit of salt also we need to add right now. Actually, I forgot to add some salt right now, but finally I sprinkled a little bit of salt. These veggies, garlic, ginger, green chilies and curry leaves and all, fried really well. Now this is the right time to add a little bit of masala. Nothing special, just some Kashmiri chili powder only. I did not use any kind of food color into this. Still, the color is so beautiful and it is so tempting. Adding 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder. Frying this in a very low flame so that the masala will not get burned. Now this is the right time to add all these fried chicken pieces. Give it a good mix. Gently toss it like this. Let it absorb all the flavors of ginger, garlic, green chilies and curry leaves. Gently mix it like this so that the coating of chicken pieces will not get removed at all. So this has absorbed all the flavors of green chilies, garlic, curry leaves and everything. I tasted one chicken piece. It tastes so yummy. It has all the flavors of spices and everything. Right now I am going to add a little bit of crushed pepper into this. 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper. This is completely optional. You can, if you don't want, you can totally avoid this one. And gently mixing it once again. So our delicious and tasty, lip smacking chicken 65 is ready to serve. Try this recipe and let me know your comments in the comment section. I really wanted to hear from you. I hope you liked today's video. If you like it, do not forget to click the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you are a new visitor. Share it if you find this video useful. So until next video, bye bye.